Hello, I'm Nick. In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini 3 for UI design tasks. Gemini 3 is the latest state-of-the-art LLM from Google. It's not just an incremental update, it's a radical shift towards agentic-first experience. The model is optimized for multimodality and better planning. In simple words, it doesn't just answer prompts better, it can think, plan, and act more naturally across different modalities. Let's see what it can do for UI design. And the first task that I will do with it is wireframing. You can use Gemini to turn a prompt into low or mid-fidelity wireframe. The model can generate multiple layout variations. Here is a prompt that I use for the task. Regarding the color coding, I use yellow to provide UI context, green for UI requirements, and blue for expected output. When I submit this prompt, Gemini adds output directly to the canvas. If I click Open, I can see wireframe examples in requested format. Regarding the ASCII format, I really like it because I can copy and paste it as a plain text. Next, design system tasks. This time, I'm creating the foundation of the future design system and ask Gemini to help me with atomic elements, colors, typography, and shadows. Again, I use yellow for context, green for requirements, and blue for expected output. Gemini quickly generates a clean system that I can use as solid reference to build upon. Next, UI to code. For this task, I will need to provide a visual reference for my UI. The file I attach creates the visual context. Then I specify the page requirements in green and expected output in blue. I export the page from Figma as PNG and attach it to Gemini, then submit the prompt. And here is what we get. As you can see, it's not a one-to-one transition of design, but it's pretty close. And the best part is that Gemini outputs the source code, so you can copy, adjust, and refine it easily. Next is image generation. Gemini makes it easy to replace stock photos and speed up concept visualization. It can create consistent sets of images that you can use directly in your design. Here is a prompt I'm using. As you can see, Gemini creates a really nice set of illustrations. There is a small issue with text inside some illustrations, but the imagery overall looks fine. And finally, accessibility audit. Accessibility is often overlooked, but Gemini makes it easy to conduct the audit. You can use it to evaluate the color contrast, identify missing alt text, and check WCAG compliance. Here is a prompt that I'm using. And here is the report Gemini generated for me. It looks solid and actionable. There were 5 examples of using Gemini for UI design tasks. If you have more great examples, please share them in the comments. Thank you for watching.